Dumb, bro. Wow. Oh my god. Phone every 2 seconds. But they never, they never did nothing. Alright, dude. Come on, man. He's got like a... Come on, man. You gonna go? Jesus Christ, dude. He's got a dog on his... Like, he's got a dog right here. On his freaking lap, and he's going like 15 miles an hour. Is he blind, or is he just stupid?
Like, the only way you got it was somebody gave it to you, or you went to the library, and you had to find the book and put the book, and then you had to memorize it. So I kind of wonder, why does anybody go to college at all?
Wow.
If that's the baseline.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Jesus Christ, dude.
Features like live trip tracking, ride check, and audio recording of the ride. Anyone under 18 must be accompanied by an adult under Uber's support. It's going to be sunny this afternoon with a high around 91. Right now it's 87 degrees.
Why did you...
Reliable Texas Public Radio.
It's All Things Considered from NPR News. I'm Ari Shapiro in Washington.
And I'm Elsa Chang in Culver City, California. Saudi Arabia flexed some serious diplomatic muscle today.
What the f***? Thanks for almost hitting me, asshole. What the f***? What the f*** are you doing, man? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my god. Yeah, I have you on a dash cam, dude. Are you stupid? Bravo, moron. Jesus Christ.
Whole thing. If we're not constantly getting new people in there, it's just this guy. Prick. Look before you f him over. Jesus Christ.
Do you not see me? KPM 825. Whoa!
I think we did.
Is he running?
Yeah. Oh, maybe not. Yep.
It's just been discovered that records all of her deepest thoughts and emotions and feelings and experiences. She describes how she wants to be kissed and what her deepest hopes and dreams are. Now if you say, I'd rather just kiss my wife than read that document, now you're just kind of a jerk, right?
Morons.
So there's really, it's like you don't have to choose one or the other.
You're on camera.
There were only 10. When anyone went to a wine vat to draw 50 measures, there were only 20. I struck all the work of your hands with blight, mildew, and hail.
On a Friday afternoon, and right before Christmas.
Right before the rates went up too. You guys probably locked in some IO.
No, we're on adjustables on those.
Were you?
Love music.
Call the cops. Siri, call 911.
We'll pull over just after the Ridge Avenue exit.
911, where's your emergency?
Okay, we just got hit on 17. We're trying to, I don't think there's a lot of damage, but we're trying to get the guy that hit us to pull over off the highway.
Is he still driving this?
Yes, the car's right in front of us, the one that just hit us.
Okay, I recommend that you don't follow him, ma'am.
No, we're not trying to follow him. It looks like he or she is trying to pull over. She's trying to, we were
okay, so they are trying to stop.
Yeah, we were in the left-hand lane, and on 17 South, yeah, she's pulling over.
Okay,
looks like we're pulling into the parking lot at Home Goods in Burlington.
Okay, so there's a Wendy's down the way from you?
Down the road, yeah.
Okay, and she did pull over.
She did pull over. We're going to pull into he or she. We're going to pull in
What kind of cars are involved?
My truck is a
Out and about. I like saying out and about. Or if in Canada, out and about.
Yeah. Good.
Unnecessary.
Oot,
Easily
it could be
upload.
oot and boot.
Oot and about.
Oot and boot.
No, oot and boot.
Yeah.
Easily upload and email big files while you work on the go. It's all happening simultaneously, baby.
Oh, everybody running the light. Good grief. Oh my gosh. Come on, people.
Whoa, wow.